Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Two days worth of growth, and I need a shave. Today's shave soap is gonna be Arko Cool in a tube, and I'm going to try to finish up some Stirling unscented Glacial. Today's razor is going to be the Helix Apollo Lite and the beautiful sharp Gillette super thin. I'm going to go ahead and load that up real quick. And I'll be using my Trotters handcraft brush and my trusty Captain's Choice copper bowl. Let me flip this blade over. Today it's one, first use. We'll put one up. The head on this thing is just so slim. I mean, it's very thin. All right, and like I said, my Captain's Choice copper bowl and this beautiful Trotters handcraft brush. And the lather on this is pretty decent. I can't remember who it was, so if it was you, comment below. I didn't look it up, but I had thought about it. And I picked this tube up. It was under $10 on Amazon. And I will say that this particular cream is definitely better than a can of foam, but it's not quite as good as a shave soap. It does whip up pretty nice, quickly. And I didn't really measure it out. I just kind of put a quarter size lob in there and then just started adding water. So I don't have a particular ratio for it. Nice and close razor. I can feel water there, so there's not really any residual slickness. But it's not sticky. You know how I say some soaps, there's like a sticky residue left over. It doesn't have that. So that's nice. I do have it on the thin side, so it's wanting to run off the razor really quickly. You know how sometimes you can have a lather, it's nice and rich, and it just wants to stick on the razor, and you can almost shave your whole face with it. I did not do that with this particular cream. And I'm not sure if that's even achievable, to be honest. I have used this cream about 3 different times, and it does a pretty good job. It would be one of those soaps that if you took it on vacation, it will work. And if you happen to forget it there in the bathroom, you're not gonna be too upset about it because it's easily replaceable. It does have a little bit of scent to it, but it's very mild. And I can't really say that I haven't noticed any real cooling effect to it. So I don't know if, it does say cooling. For a minute, I thought I was going to say that it was probably just the name Cool. But with it being blue, that's why I wanted to use this brush. Get a little theme going on. It definitely makes the thick sound in the brush. And I've smelt that scent before, but I can't place it. If you know the scent on it, comment below and let me know. How do you like the cream and the scent? I haven't used this razor in a while, and I thought I would break it out, and it's still very smooth and efficient, just like I remembered. Oh yes. Doing another late shave today. Just didn't, last night, it actually cooled off. We've been having some warm temperatures here, and it cooled off enough that it rained almost all night, and the Dobie actually slept in a little bit. She's my alarm clock. She always wakes me up super early in the morning, and today she slept in, which is surprising because she doesn't like the rain. We have skylights in our bedroom, and you can hear the rainfall, and that will usually wake her up, and then she's, I don't know if she's got anxiety or whatever, but she's always shaking and nervous. All right, I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water, and I will be right back. What a nice shave. Ooh, I might have one more shave left in this bottle. Then I will definitely have to order some more. Oh, I love that Glacial. Oh. I don't know, something about that. I mean, even in the wintertime when it's super cold, I still enjoy it. It's just that initial shock of walking outside when it's super cold. It does kind of, it does wake you up. Using my aftershave gel. Nice. All right, well, that is the shave for today. I like to say thank you guys for sticking with me, watching my video, and I will see you on the next shave. You have a great rest of your weekend.